The 16 best AI tools to know. Once an idea only existing in sci-fi, artificial intelligence now plays a role in our daily lives. In fact, we expect it from our tech products. No one wants to reconfigure their entire tech suite every time a new update is launched. We need technology that can process code for us, solve problems independently, and learn from past mistakes so we have free time to focus on the big picture issues. Zest AI. Symantec Endpoint Protection. Companies that conduct any aspect of their business online need to evaluate their cybersecurity. Outmatch. Tableau. Salesforce. The company's AI platform, called Einstein AI, acts as a smart assistant that can offer recommendations and automate repetitive data input to help employees make more data-informed decisions, according to the platform's site. H2O.ai. Oracle AI. Caffe. SAS. SAS is an AI data management program that relies on open source and cloud enablement technologies to help companies direct their progress and growth. Theno. OpenIn. TensorFlow. Telius. Gong.io. Zia by Zoho. Time Hero.